So what we're going to do today is look at the verb to organize. And what we'll do is use the verb in different circumstances with different sentences set in the past or the present or the future. And we'll also deal with the continuous tenses to make sure that you know when to use which. The to organize verb is used quite considerably in business language, so it's a good verb to know and to use whenever you can. So let's get started. I organize meetings every week. You organize lunch every day, don't you? They organize tasks throughout the project. We organize assignments each month. He organizes conference calls for every client meeting. She organizes projects perfectly. I'm organizing the trip to our clients. Are you busy organizing the documents for the meeting? They're organizing the schedule to suit the client's calendar. We're organizing assignments for each team member. He is organizing the sales meeting we'll have later today. She is organizing the sales pitch. I have organized many workshops in the past few months. You've organized the presentation well, Amanda. Thank you. They've organized a factory visit for us. We have organized the event for next month. He has organized the holiday road trips a few times now. She has organized many successful conferences in the past. I was organizing the meeting when she called to postpone. You were organizing the presentation, weren't you? They were organizing a factory visit when the CEO decided to resign. We were organizing the team building event when they called. He was organizing the holiday road trip when I walked in. She was organizing her last conferences before she resigned. I will organize the meeting for next week. You will have to organize yourself better in the future. They're going to get everyone together to discuss it. We will organize assignments in a better way next month. He is going to organize the documents for tomorrow. She's going to organize the best strategic approach. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you would like to learn some more and know some more verbs, remember to subscribe and we'll deal with one daily. Doing something daily when it comes to learning a language is a great idea when you want to improve your skills. See you tomorrow.